Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find the best and reliable suppliers or agents for your Shopify business. Now without further ado, let's get started. So finding a reliable supplier is the first step of launching a successful dropshipping business. But as obvious as it sounds, this is where most new entrepreneurs fail. So the majority of them prioritize product, price over quality, and supplier efficiency, which in turn wastes their time and money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best and reliable agents or suppliers for your dropshipping business. And now I'm going to go ahead to my computer browser, and the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go to my Shopify website. I'm going to log into my website, and I'm going to go to my store. So actually, the first thing you want to do is I highly recommend to use Deezer's AliExpress for your dropshipping needs or dropshipping suppliers. So as you can see, Deezer's AliExpress has a lot of suppliers and they are reliable in my experience. So for now, I'm going to go to my apps right here. And I'm going to go to Deezer's AliExpress dropshipping. So I have this app installed. So if you don't have this app installed, I highly recommend to watch the video regarding on how to install and how to connect Shopify and Deezer's AliExpress dropshipping. So with that being said, let's go ahead to Deezer's AliExpress dropshipping. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of products for us to choose. So once I have gone into this website, just go to find suppliers, and there you have it. It is as simple as that. You can actually enter keywords right here for your certain or for your specific product that you want to sell, and make sure to only find or track the ratings. So if the ratings are in my personal perspective, if the ratings are below 4, so I don't want to order that certain kind of product. So as you can see right here, this is 4.7, 4.8. So these are, I think, still good in my case. And to actually drop ship this, just a quick preview is to actually go to this button right here, which is the add import list. So once you've selected the product that you like, just click on this add to import list and go to your import list. And there you have it. The first one should be the brand new imported product that you should have. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm just going to go to click on push to Shopify, and you have the option to continue selling when out of stock, and you can also publish this to online store. So I'm just going to click on publish to online store and click on push to Shopify. So as you can see, one product is being pushed to Shopify, and there you have it. My product is already been pushed to Shopify. So the next thing is search for suppliers on online directories. So there are many online directories that you can use to connect with suppliers selling your desired products. However, the biggest drawback of this method is that most of these directories change a certain subscription fee. So that's also the reason there are mixed opinions about this. So if you want to have a supplier on online directories, you can actually search for online directories on your search engine, and as you can see, these are the online directories that you can actually have for selling or for contacting some suppliers. So you have Yelp, you have Merchant Circle, you have Google Business Profile, you have Angie, you have Better Business Bureau, you have Yahoo, you have Foursquare City Guide, you have Bing Places for Business, and you have City Search. So you have 15 more. You have Bing, you have Hot Frog, you have eLocal, you have Insider Page, you have Business, you have Thumbstack, and so on and so forth. Just look into this if you want to have a supplier on online directories. And that's about it. And next is to hire a professional drop shipping service. So if you can't find a trustworthy supplier, then why not let someone else do your job? So there are plenty of professional drop shipping services that help you source your desired product. So hiring a drop shipping service is especially recommended for people who are struggling to spare time for their business. So if you're struggling for your business, so why not hire a professional dropshipping people. So these servers do not only offer product sourcing, but can also help you customize your packaging to start a private label brand. So what I usually do is I post a job listing on Upwork or on LinkedIn or any other job listing sites that I need a professional dropshipping people, or I need a professional dropshipper. So if you don't want to do that, you can actually just search on the Google engine right here that says online professional dropshipping service. And as you can see, once I scroll down, just search on this Upwork right here that says 27 best freelance dropshippers for hire in this month. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see right here, there are a bunch of dropshippers are waiting for you. So you have this certain kind of people. So as you can see, they have a rating from their clients and how many jobs they have done so far. So just look into that if you will. And next is to get the help of search engines. So this one might require a bit more manual labor, but it's just as effective. So first, if you want to do that, go to the search engine, and what I recommend you to use is the Google search engine. So go to google.com and start by hopping on a search engine like Google, like this. And now your query should be name of the product plus dropshipping supplier plus country name. So with that being said, if you want to have a print-on-demand supplier, if you want to search for a print-on-demand supplier, so your query must be like this. First, the name of the product, which is print-on-demand. Next is the dropshipping supplier, like dropshipping suppliers in the US. So that is just for example, or you can actually have this in UK or in the Philippines or in Mexico. So whatever you want or wherever you currently live, you can actually do this. Next is the head-on answer, and as you can see right here, there are a lot of US print-on-demand suppliers right here. Shopify also recommends top 10 print-on-demand companies, and just like that. And lastly is to order directly from your competitors. So you might be thinking that it isn't counterintuitive to order from your competitors. Well, not exactly. So if you want to be a successful business owner, then you must learn what your competition is doing. There's a chance that they might also be dropshipping. So if you have a direct competitor, you must take note or take some keynotes on what they are doing. So you can actually copy what they are doing, and there is nothing wrong with that actually if you copy what they are doing, or you can copy what they are doing and make it even better for you to be successful, if you know what I mean. So just order directly from your competitors, and most importantly, it might even help you find a hint on where they're actually sourcing their products from. So as you can see, that's it for this video, and it's very much pretty much so as you can see, that's it for this video. I explained to you how you can actually find some best suppliers or agents for your dropshipping. So make sure to look into it, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have some suggestions, some comments, or some questions regarding on this video, just feel free to comment down below on the comment section. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!